Okay, hi everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be answering some Facebook Marketplace questions. Few weeks ago, I shared a video on how I make over 500k more on Facebook Marketplace, which I know that anybody can do that. Some people even make more than that, depending on what you can do. And if you know how to do it, you can do it. So right now, I have been posting on Facebook Marketplace and I don't get any reply. So when I share that particular video on my Facebook Marketplace, my YouTube here, and someone who is a weak seller shared a question, so I'm going to be answering that question right now. So she asked, I sell wigs. I have been posting on Facebook Marketplace, but I don't really get a message except for one. And after they ask if it's available and I reply, I won't get any message again. Good. That kind of question is a very normal question on Facebook Marketplace, especially if you are starting for the first time. I remember when I started selling on Facebook Marketplace, I had in mind to sell female items. And when I was posting female items, posting them, and nobody was asking me, is it available? And the ones that will ask me if it's available, they will ask me. And once I said yes, they will not reply me. And this is a normal thing on Facebook Marketplace. It's not everybody that is there is a customer. Some people are even praying that that thing is not available. You know, Facebook will be showing it on their faces, and some people might like it. They don't even have money, they don't have a mind to buy those particular things. So if you want to know if you're going to have buyers on that particular item, like now you're selling wigs, you understand? You need to post different items. If I'm posting wig and I'm not getting any sale, I'm not getting any buyer, I'll now know that it's dry time for me to maybe to check other things, to post other kinds of products. Yes. If I'm posting wig, I need to post different assorted kinds of wigs. It's not only one type. And I asked the person again, okay, and I asked the person, for how long did you start posting? And she said she posted only one video. You can't post only one video on Facebook Marketplace and you start getting sales unless that particular thing, you understand, Facebook decides to push it, and Facebook cannot push it for you if you are posting only one, unless the pictures are great. The pictures must be very, very beautiful. For Facebook to push an item for you, to push a product for you, you need to have beautiful photos, different designs of that particular product, so that it can actually, attract buyers to buy from you. That's just it. Another question I want to reply is, you post only once. You can't post only once. You need to post more items. You need to post more products on that particular Facebook Marketplace. And for wig, you need to really post live photos, especially live photos, because wig is not something that somebody will now throw out his or her money. Will throw out her money, maybe buying wig of 50,000 naira, maybe because you are using stock photos. You can mix it with stock photos. You can also mix it with your own live photos. People need to see live photos. Just that they don't take videos on Facebook Marketplace. It's only photos. So you will need to, if you want to sell wig especially, you need to post, live photos and stock photos so that they can match. Because so many people are very, very scared of buying wig of stock photos, and because they will see a stock photo, after everything, when you now it's time for delivery, the picture is not going to rhyme with the particular item that you shared on Facebook Marketplace. So if you really want to make money on Facebook Marketplace, you need to post different pictures of that particular item that you plan to market there. That is a secret. At least if you can get like 10 listings, you post your description. You need to put description. You need to put tags, just the way we post on this YouTube. That is how it works on Facebook Marketplace. And whether you like it or not, people must ask you, is he available? And when you now respond, they will not reply. We have lots of them. And it doesn't mean that you are not going to make sales. It doesn't mean that you are not going to make market on Facebook. You're not going to sell market on Facebook. After all, even on offline market, maybe you sell in the market, some people will come and price you and go without buying that item. It happens. So if you're ready to sell, you must risk it. You must be ready to post items. You don't post only once, you post different items. Then the algorithm might decide to push it for you, especially if those pictures are very great. If the pictures are great, that's what I'm going to answer for now. And the next thing, what other question? And answer the person, okay, you need to list more beautiful photos, varieties of wigs with good descriptions, and maybe and join other Facebook buy and sell groups. So joining other, you need to post a good listing, put more listings, descriptions and tags, and you can also join Facebook buy and sell groups, which can allow you more exposure. You understand? It's going to give you more exposure so that other people can actually see you and buy your items. It's not even about is it available is a problem. It's delivery, especially if the person is not near you. So you need to post great pictures. That's just the secret of selling on Facebook Marketplace. And you don't list only one item. You list random, at least put out 20 items, products, different pictures, put out at least 20 and 10. And with time, you start getting leads. The team will start converting. Your product will start converting. And you're the one that will run. Are you ready to sell? That's just the truth. Because if it's buyer, you will see buyer. And another thing is this: cheap items on Facebook Marketplace will I've tried to sell cheap items. People don't, really ask for that. Cheap items, the qualities are not that good unless you have a good quality one. I've tried to post cheap items and expensive items, and even the cheap items doesn't fly. That's another thing. So if the wig that you're posting doesn't have good picture, is a cheap one, I'm sorry, it will not fly. So you need to look for quality items. You need to look for quality products to post on Facebook Marketplace. That is the only way that you can actually get lead on there. I hope I answered your questions. Of course, Facebook Marketplace is a place that a lot of people, millions of people are there. So the same way that we post on YouTube, algorithm will start pushing it. That is how it does on Facebook Marketplace. I hope I answered your question, guys. And I also want to add this. Like when I started, okay, I stopped there, but I'm going to finish that story. When I started selling on Facebook Marketplace, I had in mind to sell female items. You understand? I've been, sourcing. I know where to get them, but I bought some few items to start on Facebook Marketplace, and I was posting them, having in mind that people are going to buy. Unfortunately, it didn't work. And I had to make a U-turn. I started posting male items, male shoes. I had to go for men's shoes. They're up and down. And that was when I started getting constant sales. So if a particular item that you're posting is not flying, you need to try another one. Right now, I still sell female items, but on a very low percentage. It's not much, unlike the way the men things are giving me sales and giving me money. You understand? And I sell kids items. I just started adding kids item last year, and it's flying. But I think that children's items right now is not on the move. I think as we are approaching Ember month, it will be on the rise. So they are picking them few scanty. But what I am selling from January to December right now are men items. So you actually need to find which one is moving for you. And that is a secret of how you make money, how you make sales on Facebook Marketplace. If you have more questions, you can actually put it on the comment section so that I can be able to, maybe we might do live, and we can talk about it. So we have super chats here. We have a membership groups. You can actually join our membership group. You understand? Thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.